Monday makeover for you. Now I did do these back in May, and I will be doing them sporadically throughout the rest of the year, but back in May I did every Monday in May a Monday makeover, and it was really well received. People really enjoyed watching those videos, so I thought I would do another one with a new palette that was recently bought for me by my husband, and it is this one. It is, no it's not, it's this one. Backwards. Anyway, I'll leave it in. L'Oreal Paris Cheri My Cheri eyeshadow palette, and it is this one. Now these smell gorgeous. I have used it. So it is these shades, these beautiful like peachy, pinky, browny sort of shades. Really beautiful. I've swatched a couple on the back of my hands. These are the ones that I have used in this eye look today. So if you want to see how I did, then just keep on watching. completed look for my Monday makeover using the L'Oreal Paris Cheri My Cheri palette. Now I did find that these powders were very chalky. There was a lot of kick off. I had to keep like blowing off like the residue in the powders. They do kick up an awful lot of excess powder, and I did struggle with getting the pigmentation on my eyes. I did this eye before I did this eye, just to sort of practice the look before I filmed it. And what I found was that while I was doing this eye, this one was starting to fade. It was already starting to like fade away, and I do suffer with really watery eyes. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice at the moment, but I am totally bunged up with hay fever at the moment, and so my eyes do water. So most eyeshadows are not going to stay on my eyes very long at this rate. But I hadn't finished this eye before this eye was starting to disappear. And that for me is kind of like, well, what am I doing? You know, I don't want to waste my time having to kind of retouch up this eye while I'm doing this one. So I do like the colours in this palette and do think it created a beautiful like ombre eye look. I mean, the colours in this are stunning, and if you don't suffer with like watery eyes as much as I do, I mean mine are awful, they do water an awful lot. If you don't suffer with that, then this could be a really nice palette. It does smell nice. I don't know why I'm smelling it, because as I say, I'm bunged up with cold at the moment, but I do know from when I first purchased this, I couldn't stop smelling it. It smells delicious. This shade here, which I ended up putting on the middle of my eyes, love that colour, stunning. It is this gorgeous, stunning, like, orangey gold sort of shade. It's really pretty, really nice. Really love that colour. Yeah, and I would definitely use that one on my eyelids, I think all over next time. I think this is not for me a palette that I'm going to be able to take my time with using. It's going to have to be a quick eye look, because as I say, one eye started fading before I'd even finished the other eye, and that for me is kind of like a bit of a warning sign that these are not going to last very long on my eyes. But I do really like the palette. The colours are stunning, and I did think I got a nice eye look in the end, so I'm really chuffed. So that is it. That is my Monday makeover. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, let me do the proper outro, because I feel weird when I don't say it. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Press the bell button for your notification for when the next video goes up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!